Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and unblock all website on your school computer. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and without any further delay we're simply going to go ahead and step into our video. For the matter is that the only effective way for you to simply access a VPN, and that is the most effective way as well, you're going to access a particular computer and go to the browser. And once you have access to a particular window or tab of yours, you're going to tap on this little icon is as a VPN icon. Go ahead, tap on this, and you have to make sure that you have available this touch VPN on you. Now go ahead, tap on this location drop down icon and choose any of the location that you would like. Once you have chose that location, tap on disconnect, and this will entirely change the network connection of your computer itself, and then you can start browsing and it will simply solve the problem for you to not being able to access any of the websites. And then once you have done, you're simply going to go ahead, tap on this stop. You will stop the VPN and you can go back to your regular studying. So that is the way you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.